This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, welcome to Azure DevOps course. Tell me about myself. My name is Kiran Kumar. I have 10 plus years of experience in IT and 5 plus years of experience in Azure operational and Azure DevOps engineer. I am certified aged 104 and aged 400 as well, guys. I am working right now as a senior DevOps, Azure DevOps engineer. But actually, this is the 12th batch, and successfully I have completed 11th batches, guys. Around 40 plus members, they are placed and they are working fine. These are my about yourself. Tell me about yourself one by one, guys. Hello, tell me about yourself.
Hi Kiran.
Okay.
Yeah, myself Vamshi, and I'm recently placed in Cloud4C,
Okay.
working on. Actually, I have worked on GCP operations.
Okay.
So right now, I'm converted to Azure, so looking forward for the Azure
Okay.
certification and all operations.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Nice to hear you. You are looking for Azure operational and Azure DevOps, right?
yeah, migrations also, and also
Yes.
DevOps.
Migrations, operations, DevOps, everything it is included in our courses index. Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks for giving valuable time. And also one more, guys. Feel free to don't say in front of me, guys. This is not a demo. I am not your lecture. This is friendly conversation between you and me. Okay. But why I am asking about yourself? I just want to know what you are expecting. Okay. Tell me one by one. This is interaction between you and me, guys.
Hey, hey Kiran, this is Kali. So I'm working
Okay.
as a senior DevOps engineer, and I'm fully into Azure cloud and Kubernetes and all. So just would like to know more about Azure DevOps. So that's why I'm interested in joining this demo.
Yeah. Thank you, Kali.
Uh, Hi Kiran, this is Ummat. I joined from Noida and I have 13 years experience in business intelligence. Now I want to work in Azure, so I'm just exploring like what would be best for me. It's Azure or Azure DevOps. So I have joined and wanted to know if I go for DevOps, how I will be, kind of. Right now I'm a technical architect in business intelligence, but I want to go for Azure. So from initially, I want to start and looking forward how it can help me.
Yes, yes. This in this course it helps you definitely. I'm giving Azure operational things and Azure DevOps engineer. Definitely based on your experience, definitely this course will help. But I have placed around 16 plus and 20 plus experience guys also. This course will help
Okay,
you. This is
thank you.
completely real time and experience and also virtually zero knowledge. Non-technical also it is eligible to learn this course. Zero knowledge is also enough for that one. But no need to learn outside for that one. Please concentrate on what I am telling in daily process. Do the practice and later you can go to the extra activities. That is
Okay, so any experienced can go from initial to Azure and can get, job change as well
yes,
in Azure.
it is possible. You will have to change
Okay,
it. For
okay,
example, you have 13 years experience, right? You
yeah.
can mention the 5 years for Azure DevOps. I will give the training
Okay,
for that.
sure,
So,
sure. Thank
I
you.
will,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
hello. I can hear you.
I'm Ramesh.
Okay, your voice is little bit low. Can you please
You are
increase
not
your?
able to hear my voice?
Yeah, now I can able to hear.
Yeah, I'm Ramesh. I'm a retired professor in engineering college. I'm
Okay.
looking for Azure develop engineer training for other students and
Okay.
get better opportunities for the students. I want to train them, so I'm looking for that.
Okay.
So can you help me in that area? That is my
Yeah,
career
yeah,
profile. I'm a retired professor of engineering college in mechanical engineering field.
okay. Yeah, fine, no problem. In mechanical engineering also, we are able to learn this course for
Okay.
that one. But I will teach
Is
you
this
from
helpful
zero
for
to
even
one.
mechanical students?
Yes, non-technical also mechanical students and civil engineer, and also I have placed BA students also, become BA
Okay.
students also. You don't have
Okay.
knowledge. Past you can leave the past. You can start the from zero
Okay.
onwards. That's enough.
Okay. Right. So I'll be listening your classes and further I'll be able to get
Yeah.
more knowledge in this area.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I will give the practical and theoretical knowledge and also most concentrating on real-time experience. I will give the real-time experience.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi Kiran, myself Kiran itself. I'm having 6 years of experience. I'm
Okay.
new to Azure. Previously, I worked on Linux and AWS.
Okay.
Looking for Azure DevOps training.
Yeah. Thank you, Kiran. Actually, both are cloud, no problem. You can learn. It is similar to AWS only, but actually service providers are different. Definitely, it will help you to your career, and it will improve the core skills for that one in this course.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi Kiran,
Hi
this is
Kiran.
Ahmed.
Okay. Hi, Ahmad.
Yeah, I'm new to this industry, so I want to start my career with Azure DevOps. So that's why I have joined.
Yeah. Okay. When you passed out,
Yeah, it's recently. I'm working in RCM industry.
oh, super. It's good. Okay, fine. No problem. You can learn. I will tell you, I will give the complete training about the Azure and Azure DevOps as well. You
Yeah.
don't have bother about the past. You can continue from here onwards. But you have to spend 30 to 45 days completely. You can focus on my classes. Do the practice daily
Yeah, yeah.
and give me the output a same day. I'm expecting same day. Then only you can
Okay.
increase the skills and you can improve the everything for that one.
Okay.
Hi Kiran, Deekshit here.
Yeah,
I
hi.
have experience of yeah, I have experience of about 5 years, 5+ years of experience. As
Okay.
I want to switch my technology, so as I'm having some experience in Azure, so thought of learning Azure DevOps. So I'll
Okay.
come here.
Yeah, nice, nice. This is the good code for that one, and also this is the Azure DevOps Engineer is a hot skill topic for. Can you please mute yourself? Who is not talking about that one? Okay. Your role is completed, or someone is
Hi,
pending.
Kiran. Hi, Kiran.
Okay.
I have completed my. I've been in IT field since 2 years, and I completed. I have done as a Selenium test engineer, and I'm
Okay.
looking forward to use my technology. So I thought the DevOps would be, and I hope this course will help me achieve that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, this will help you. A 2 years experience, right? You have Selenium experience.
Hello, Kiran bro. I'm Pravalika. Actually, I'm having non-voice
Okay.
experience. Now I'm
Okay.
planning to move to IT technology.
Yes,
That is why
yes.
I'm planning.
No problem. BPO students, BPO employees also they are moved to cloud right now. No problem. I will give the complete training about the Azure operational and Azure DevOps engineer. Definitely, you will be selected for any one of them, like operational or DevOps engineer.
Yeah, hi Kiran, this is Yashwant. Yeah,
Yeah, that's
so I worked in IT field for the past 3 years, and I
okay.
have a break for another 3 years, and now I want to restart my career in IT.
Okay.
So I'm seeking your help for this Azure DevOps.
Yes. Definitely the course will help you guys. What we are doing like that one,
I worked
concentrate
on
on.
Windows VMware earlier, so
Yes, it will help you. Definitely, this course will help you for VMware background also.
okay. Thank you, Kiran.
Yeah. Is there anyone to?
Hi Kiran,
Yeah. Hi.
this is Mallesh.
Yeah. But,
I am looking for the Azure DevOps course.
okay.
Yes, I want to learn the Azure DevOps course in your coaching.
Yeah. Thank you, Malesh. Is there anyone pending?
Yeah, thank you.
I will go the thing. Please, can you please mute yourself?
Hi, Kiran. Myself, I am Ravi Shankar. I have around 6 years of experience in IT, and from
Okay.
last 3 years onwards, I am in some other field. I am searching for the job now, and Azure DevOps engineering.
Yeah. Thank you, Ravi.
Okay.
Hi Kiran,
Yeah.
this is Anusha Bandi.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, I'm currently doing my MS in UK. So I
Okay.
want to switch my career to software field. I don't have any experience in software.
Yeah. No need for that one. You don't have any experience. No need
Yeah,
for
based
that.
on market researches, I have selected this course.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for giving me for that. Okay. Let's go to my sessions, guys. What I am telling. Okay. I will for example, did you search anyone like what is cloud, guys, or what is the importance of cloud? I think you searched a lot for that one. I will tell you the differences between the AWS and Azure DevOps, guys.
Hello.
Why we should? Hello. Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
don't
Tell me.
mind, can you will you record this session?
Yeah. I have already started to record for that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry for that. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I will share it after the session, guys. Don't worry. I will tell you the differences between the AWS DevOps and Azure DevOps, guys. Why we can choose the Azure DevOps? I will clearly explain everything for that one. For example, if you choose the AWS DevOps, guys, for example, if you need AWS DevOps, you'll have to purchase the you'll have to depend on other tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Chef, Puppet. These are the tools you should have to learn it, guys. If you choose the AWS DevOps, for example, one of the company they can use Ansible. One of the company they can use Chef. One of the company they can use the Puppet. Based on the company, you will have to learn the tools, guys. Keep on, you will have to, your skill will be changed. Keep on, guys. If you choose the AWS, for example, AWS will give the infrastructure, guys. AWS will give the infrastructure to the respective tools. For example, if you want to install the Jenkins, what you can do, you can use the infrastructure from Amazon. Then on top of that one, you can install the Jenkins package and you can utilize for that one, guys. Same thing, you can do the Ansible, Chef, Puppet as well. For example, if you want to choose the repo, for example, repo is nothing but, don't worry, guys. So for example, repo is nothing but where we can store the data, where we can store our code. For example, developer will store the code. We need one place needed, guys. For that one, we can use repo. Okay. For that one, in AWS, we can choose it. We can choose like either GitHub or Bitbucket. Lot of tools are available. We can use it, guys. For example, like here. For example, build purpose, we can use Maven and here for that one. If you want to build everything for that one in AWS level, we can use it. For continuous integration purpose, we can use it Jenkins, guys. For example, code and deploy, continuous deployment for that one, we can use AWS code deploy, guys, for that one. And coming to our Azure DevOps, for example, you don't want learn other tools, guys. You don't want learn other tools like you don't want learn Jenkins, you don't want learn Ansible, you don't want learn Chef, you don't learn Puppet, guys. Azure has implemented one service, Azure DevOps. In this service only, everything is available, guys. For example, Azure has introduced Azure DevOps service. For example, like if you want to do the continuous integration inside the Azure DevOps service only, it is available, guys. Everything in this only one service, everything it is available, guys. For that one, you just want to learn Git enough. For repo purpose, Azure DevOps in itself, it has one service is there, Azure Repo, like where we can store the data and everything. It is available in Azure DevOps service, guys. For example, if you want to create it, for example, tracking purpose, like we'll have to maintain the tickets, guys. So how the tickets handling tickets and everything, we'll have to create the under boards, guys. It is the daily work, guys. For example, if you want, if you log in per day, definitely you should have to learn boards. For example, under boards only, you should have to maintain the sprint tickets, how we are maintaining. For example, how should we know whether ticket assigned yourself or not? You can go and check under boards only, guys. In this service, one more advantage is there. We don't want any ticketing tool, guys. What is ticketing tool? Where we can maintain the tickets, all the tickets, we can maintain the tracking purpose, guys. For example, how should we know whether you are working or not? Based on the tickets only, your manager will decide it. If you are working or not, guys. Those things will have to maintain the boards. Like for example, like continuous integration, we should have to install the AWS. We should have to install the packages, guys, in the AWS instances. Here, I don't want to install anything for that one. We can use the pipeline, guys. For that one, pipeline, continuous integration pipeline. Under pipeline only, we can use it, guys, for that one. For continuous deployment, we can use like release, guys. We can use release, continuous deployment for that one. Test artifacts, everything, all the features will be available, only single feature, guys. For example, Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps only, it is all are available, guys. For example, if you want to save the code, Azure Repo is available. If you want to raise the ticket and everything for that one, boards is available. If you want to continuous integration, if you need the build number, everything for that one, we can create the pipeline, guys. Here, I will tell you the two types are there, guys. Classic editor and YAML script. For example, classic editor, each and everything, 20% of employees they are using, guys. YAML pipeline, 80% of the people they are using, guys. Now I am working completely YAML script, guys. I will teach you what I am doing here. Here, everything I will teach you guys in our future classes. For example, like continuous deployment also, it is possible in our Azure DevOps service, guys. Test artifacts also, it is possible. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? I will go to further slides. Do you have any doubts?
What is test artifacts here in first slide? In first slide, test artifacts.
Yeah, this one, right. Test artifacts, for example, like once the build is completed, we'll have to test it, guys. For example, we do have self build types are there. Build types we can use it, test it here, guys. For example, like Sonar Cloud is there. In this batch, we can tell the Sonar Cloud. What Sonar Cloud will do, like it will check the code, compiling the code, and check the vulnerabilities, everything it will check it. Sonar Cloud, guys. Code checking purpose, we can use it for that one. All the artifacts under the coming from the artifacts numbers, everything it is available here, guys.
Okay.
Now we'll have to go to the designations, guys. like for example, how many roles are available in our real-time scenario. I will tell you for that one. For example, like this is Azure operational engineer, guys. This is I will tell you the designations of the Azure, like in our real-time environment. Why we can choose the Azure DevOps? I will tell you each and everything scenario for that one. This is we can take it as a Azure operational engineer, guys. Engineer. Okay. This is we can call it as Azure DevOps engineer. Each role it is different, guys. This is Azure DevOps engineer. This is Azure data engineer. Okay, this is Azure developer, guys. Okay, this is Azure operational engineer. This is Azure DevOps engineer. This is Azure data engineer. This is Azure developer, guys. For example, there is no difference between each and everything is role, guys. For example, in Azure operational engineer, what you can do? For example, sometimes you will have to work on the IaaS, guys. IaaS is nothing but like infrastructure as a service. Sometimes you need to work PaaS. Sometimes you will have to work SaaS, software as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Coming to like coming here, PaaS, IaaS is nothing but, for example, like you'll have to infrastructure related things as. Example, I am telling about that one, how to create the virtual machine, how to create the virtual network, or how to create the like storage account. All the infrastructure related thing he will handling, guys. For example, is there any role? For example, like if you want to create the virtual machine through script, it is possible. Like storage account, yes, it is possible. SQL creation, it is possible. App service, everything he will handle like infra level, guys. Infra level. If you want to create anything storage account, you will have to ask to Azure operational engineer. Azure operational engineer only, it will help you. For example, like in case CPU utilization more, he will handle it, guys. RAM utilization full, all the real-time scenarios and how to troubleshoot things. I will tell you in our further classes, guys. For that one, total completely Azure operational engineer, and also how to create how to take the backup our virtual machine, how to migrate our data from virtual machines, and how to take the bug, everything. It will come under Azure operational engineer, guys. We are focusing Azure DevOps engineer. Why we can focusing on that one? I will tell you in few minutes, guys. In Azure DevOps engineer, we'll have to work on. We'll have like boards is there, guys. But I have already told, right? Boards, like we'll have to boards and Azure repos. We'll have to like boards, guys. For example, like we'll have to work on boards. Boards and repos, like pipelines. Under pipelines, we'll have to create the like continuous integration pipelines, releases. These are the services inbuilt Azure DevOps has given, guys. I will show you the dashboards in our end of the class. For example, what is the importance of boards and repos, pipelines, why we are using for that one. For example, what is the dependency of Azure DevOps engineer? I will tell you I will tell you later for that one. Like here in Azure Data Engineer, but for example, we should have to learn ADF, guys. ADF is nothing but Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory, guys. Azure Data Factory, it is a ETL tool, like extract, transfer, load. Our data will almost to migration. If you want to migrate the data from here to on-premises to cloud, definitely this tool will help you guys. I will take the three sessions for Azure Data Factory and also Data Bricks. And these are the two important tools when we are migrating the data from here to there, guys. For example, here I will tell you the how to without data Azure DevOps engineer. There is no Azure data engineer, Azure operational engineer, Azure developer, guys. Azure developer is nothing but he is the developer, .NET developer, like .NET, Java. He is the completely, he will developer, guys. For example, he will write the code here and he will depending on Azure DevOps engineer, guys. For example, each and every team, these teams are depending on Azure DevOps engineer, guys. That is the reason I am telling about Azure DevOps engineer, how the focus on that one. Okay. This is the complete, each and every team, they are depending on you only, guys. Now in my current project, I am a Azure DevOps engineer. How we can integrate Azure DevOps to Azure Data Engineer? How we can integrate .NET? For example, developer write the code and test it locally. How he move the code to in our application? Definitely, we need Azure DevOps service, guys. For example, each and every team, they will have to depend on you, guys. Azure DevOps engineer. Okay. For example, I will show you the few scenarios about that one. See, this is the Azure DevOps engineer, guys. Here is the Azure DevOps engineer. Azure DevOps. Okay. He is in middle, guys. For example, like he is in middle. Okay. For example, I just want to migrate the data in different cloud, whatever it is, like how many cloud providers are in our market, guys. For example, like Azure, AWS, and GCP, lot of available, guys. For example, if you migrate your infrastructure, this is one cloud, this is one cloud, this is one cloud, guys. For example, I will tell you, like this is Azure, this is like Amazon, AWS. Sorry, this is GCP. For example, if you want to create the infrastructure, whatever it is, guys. For example, here I will teach you a few of things. Terraform, guys. Terraform and Azure CLI. How to create our infrastructure through Azure CLI. I will show you one of the project. Okay, how to create the Azure by using Azure CLI. Terraform also will have to create the infrastructure to Azure, guys. Here also we need Azure DevOps engineer. But actually Terraform, actually Azure operational engineer, they will have to write the code, guys. They will have to write the code. He will write it, Terraform and Azure CLI, everything. He will push the code, Azure repos. From here only, we'll have to migrate to Azure, AWS, and GCP also. We'll have to create the infrastructure, guys. Without Azure DevOps, we cannot create it. For example, each and every team, they will have to interact with Azure DevOps engineer only. For example, I will tell you the one project, how to create the our infrastructure through Azure DevOps. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? Hello? Do you have any doubts?
So Azure operational engineer, Azure DevOps engineer doesn't require to know about Azure operational. These all IaaS, PaaS, and decoding.
Yes.
Azure DevOps will be independent from Azure operational.
Yeah, actually, few of the clients they have independent like Azure operational and Azure DevOps. If it is a small project, for example, if it is small project, they will ask to you will have to manage the Azure operational and Azure DevOps. So few of the projects, for example, like few of the project, this is Azure operational. You will have to involve Azure operational also. Sometimes you will have to involve Azure Data Factory also. Why? Because you will have to integrate it between Azure DevOps and Azure ADF. Sometimes you will have to interact with Azure DevOps and Azure operational. But all the companies, they are expecting combination of Azure operational and Azure DevOps or Azure Data Factory with Azure DevOps.
Okay.
Definitely you should have to some knowledge from Azure operational level. For example, if you are doing the deployments, I will tell you the one example for that one. Yeah, for example, like you are doing the deployments. Okay, one deployment is failed due to infrastructure failure. But actually, you should have to some knowledge about it, right? VM went offline. How should we know? But if you have some knowledge on Azure operational engineer only, but okay, my deployment is failure due to VM failure. At that time, what we can do? You can log into the portal and you can check the VM status, whether it is offline or online. Whether it is offline, you should have to run the start it VM. For example, if it is running, your RAM utilization is full. What you can do? You will have to do the troubleshoot it. Those are the tasks. Each and every company they are expecting Azure operational with Azure DevOps, Azure data engineer with Azure DevOps. If you are going to interview, definitely they will expect it. Azure operational or Azure DevOps. For example, if you are full for Azure DevOps, no need for Azure operational, Azure data factory. You will have to tell the interview only Azure DevOps. That is enough. But once you got the job, definitely they will tell you. You can learn the Azure operational. You can learn the Azure data factory. They will give the chance to you. I think your doubt is clarified.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt, guys? Yeah, for example, like one more example for that one. Like this is AWS, guys. This is Azure. For example, like this is AWS. This is Azure, guys. Okay. For example, each and everything infrastructure is given from Amazon. Okay. This is each and infrastructure, everything Azure, guys. For example, here it is. Who is the owner of AWS, guys? Amazon only, guys. Amazon only, right? Who is handling everything for that one? Here, Azure, everything is Microsoft, guys. Microsoft. For example, can you please tell me anyone? Without Office, for example, we are working on operating system, right? Without operating system, is it work laptop? For example, we are working in our office, guys. For example, Windows is needed, right? Windows is needed, right? Same thing, Microsoft, each and everything, every company, like financial institutes, like banking institute, they are all moving to Azure, guys. They are all moved to Azure. Why? Because they are believing Microsoft. For example, I am comparing to 2011. In 2011, here AWS occupied like around 70%, guys. In 2011, only 20% Azure occupied. Now, compared to 2021, 70% to 70%, guys. In AWS, it is like in this market, same maintaining, guys. Same percentage is maintaining, but Azure is increased to 70%, guys. For example, like each and every company, they are moving to Azure. Why? Because we do have a lot of users, guys. For example, if you want Jenkins, but only Amazon will provide only infrastructure, guys. But actually, he does not want with Jenkins. For example, here, Azure DevOps service, we can utilize all services, guys. For example, in case of any issue or find anything, you will have to interact with Azure only. Due to that reason, everyone, each and every organization, they are migrating to Azure only, guys. For example, like recently last 2 projects, I only migrated AWS, few of the AWS services to Azure, guys. For example, like Azure DevOps things. But slowly, they are moving to AWS to Azure, guys. That is the reason. For example, in 2021, if you go to the interview in AWS DevOps engineer, they have full-fledged, guys. 100% they will ask a lot of questions. If you go to the Azure DevOps engineer, even they don't know Azure DevOps, guys. The person who is taking interviews, everything, they don't know exactly what we are telling. They don't know Azure DevOps, but they are taking for Azure DevOps engineer. Each and every client, they want Azure DevOps, guys. US, UK, everything for that one. But actually, what we are doing, but I will tell, I will take the session for daily. You just want practice, guys. I will give the complete Azure DevOps architect level, guys. Architect level, I will tell you the complete picture. What I am telling here, same thing you can explain to interviewer. Definitely 100% you will get the job, guys, with good package. For example, like AWS DevOps, a lot of competition is available in this market, guys. Azure DevOps only less competitive. But both are clouds. But if you are practicing, AWS will give the practice purpose 1 year, guys. Azure only it will give 30 days. That is the reason you can focus on completely 30 days. You can do the practice, guys, in Azure. I will tell you the say like operational things on the Azure DevOps. And one more thing, guys. For example, I will cover each session 100+ tickets, real-time scenarios, guys. 100+ tickets, I will tell you. For example, I took one session here, virtual machine. I will tell you how they handle my ticket, how we can troubleshoot it. Everything I can explain it. And I will tell you the interview tips also, guys. For example, I have taken the one subject, guys. I will cover first 5 minutes, like see, first 3 days I will take the Unix classes, guys. Unix classes. Later I will take the like 10 to 15 days. Operational guys, Azure operational engineer. I will take 16 to 30 Azure DevOps engineer. Not days guys. You can assume like classes. Okay. After that, 30 to 45 days, I will give the like projects guys. For example, like ADF, how to integrate ADF with Azure DevOps. Okay, Databricks, how we can integrate in Databricks. For example, today I have done my task. Each task I will explain clearly guys in each environment. And also automation deployment guys. For example, we do have a lot of deployments are there guys. For example, like manual deployment. I will tell you clearly guys. I will create the from scratching level. I will explain guys. Scratching, which means like from 0 to 100% guys. I will give the knowledge from 0 to 100%, and also give the practicals. But in my sessions, theoretical is less guys. Theoretical is less, real time is more. I am always talking about real time scenarios guys. Why? Because if you are selected guys, for example, I will tell you the theoretical classes, everything for that one. If you are selected, but how you can handle the real time scenarios guys? But practical must be important. How you are handling real time also, it is must be important guys. That is enough. For example, I need 30 to 45 days guys. 45 classes needed. I will tell you the advanced classes also with practicals. And also I will in deployment, manual deployment is there. Manual deployment. And also automation deployment. Automation deployment. What is automation deployment is nothing but like for example, developer is there guys. He is the developer. Developer will push the code in our repos, which means branches. For example, you don't want to configure anything guys. Whenever we can push the code in particular branch, our continuous integration will be triggered automatically guys. Once the continuous integration is completed, continuous deployment will be triggered automatically. You don't want to do any manual tasks. Okay, once the continuous deployment, we will have to, our code will be deployed as like app services guys. App services. How we can test it, each and everything code here. Here, each and every real-time environment, I will tell you guys. For example, like developer, dev environment, QA environment, UAT environment, pre-prod environment, staging environment, production environment. These are the environment guys. Each and every environment, I will have to configure it guys. For example, developer, the code is pushed to developer guys. The mail will go to the developer. For example, I am the developer. Once the tested everything, developer approved only, it will go to QA guys. Once the QA approved only, it will go to UAT. Once the UAT approved only, it will go to this scenario completely. I will explain you. In case production environment, okay, deployment is completed. How we can do the manual deployment by using continuous integration build pipeline. I will tell you each and everything guys. For example, in this process, one company, they will give you guys almost 6 to 1 year. They will give the time guys. I will tell you 15 days in this total process. I will tell you like Azure DevOps architect level guys, how to create the user, how to policies are required while we are creating the user, everything I will explain thoroughly. Okay, now we are going to course, guys. For example, like what we are covering. Okay, these are the courses. I will share this document and course content to all guys. For example, what is client, server, on-premises, virtual, everything. I will have to explain it, guys, in our course from Monday. Please contact your organization, guys. That is good for on timings, everything. These are the things, each and everything I can explain thoroughly, guys. What is dev, what is operations, what is DevOps, what is building, what is deployment, what is integration, everything. Release environment stage, what is stage before production only we can use stage environment, guys. This is what is cloud. What is cloud, private cloud and public cloud, hybrid cloud. What is the difference between those are things? What is Windows Azure, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Service, and Google? What is that one? Those are the clouds. We'll have to discuss on that one, guys. For example, I will tell you the IaaS PaaS. What is the use of IaaS? What is the PaaS? What are the services under comes to the IaaS? What is the services under comes to the PaaS? What are the services under comes to the SaaS? We'll have to discuss it. What is these are the like Azure DevOps core concepts, guys. For example, like Azure DevOps organization, how to create the organization, how to create the project. We'll have to discuss everything, guys. For example, project settings, everything we'll have to discuss it. Okay. Now this is like about organization settings, project overview, project, the project user billing, auditing, and global notifications, usage, extensions. Extensions is the important, guys. For example, some of the clients they are already using Jenkins, guys. How to use Jenkins? How to here? For example, I just want the extension ADF pipeline to install it. How can we extension? Extension is nothing but we can download the package from market, guys. How we can do, how can we can download that one? About Azure Active Directory, what is the use of this one? Okay, and about the permissions, everything. This see Azure boards, Azure reports. What is Azure boards? Under Azure boards, we'll have to create the tickets, guys. Work item boards, backlogs, sprints. We'll have to maintain the sprints, guys. Sprints, queries, plans. How, for example, every day we will have to the Scrum meetings are there. How we can plan the in future projects, everything. We'll have to discuss it under boards only. We'll have to create the ticket. Based on the ticket, we need to work on that one, guys. Azure repos. Azure repos, what is the file? How we can commit to repos, pushes, branches, tags, how to raise the pull request. This is must be important, guys. Frequently each and every day we'll have to raise the pull request from merge the code from one branch to another branch. How to maintain the branching policies for that one. I will tell you everything for that one. Branching policies. How to raise the pull request dashboard for that one. This is pipeline. How to create the agent pool. I will tell you the how to create the what is the advantage of agent pools. Like would you have hosted agent pool is there, self-hosted agent pool is there, guys. I will tell you the practical and theoretically. I will tell you the both, guys, hosted and self-hosted. Right? About settings and deployment pools. What are the pools? What is the use of deployment pools? What is the parallel jobs? What is the like auth configurations? What is the storage? Azure artifacts, how we can store the zip artifacts, test plans, how we can do that one. Everything we'll have to in further classes do the practicals also, guys. These are things, for example, Azure pipelines. I will tell you like YAML script also. We'll have to create the pipeline like classifier and YAML script also, guys. For example, YAML script, basic YAML files, YAML, how to write the YAML script about that one. I will tell you everything for that one. How to create the continuous integration pipeline. I will tell you the .NET application in our practical session. Install the self-hosted agent, creating the CD pipeline, .NET applications hosted. I will take the example for that one, web app, variable based deployment, everything. I will have to explain it, guys. Azure backup, like replication, site recovery, virtual machine creation, storage account creation, app service creation, everything we'll have to discuss the further classes, guys. More of Azure monitoring and log analytics, everything further. Like storage account, file storage, block storage, storage table. So what is the advantage of each and every storage? Storage account is must be important, guys, while we are migrating the code. Where store the data, everything for the storage account. ADF integration with ADO. ADO is nothing but, don't confuse it, guys. ADO is nothing but Azure DevOps only. Sonar Cloud integration with Azure DevOps, like resource creation, like Azure CLI commands. I will tell you that one real-time tickets, tickets, and almost 100 plus tickets. I will give the solution and how I handled those things. I can explain those things, guys. Mock interviews also available, guys. One to one, I will take the interview sessions also. App service, how to create the app service, how to create the app service, app service plan, everything. I will explain you. YAML pipelines, everything for that one. Next, yeah. This is ending, guys. For example, like my 1 hour daily 1 hour class is there, guys. First to 5 minutes, I will take the revision. What happened in the yesterday previous class? Okay. Next few days, few times I will take the theoretical and the practical, guys. Last 5 minutes, I will give the time to ask the queries, guys. For example, sometimes the session will extend, guys, beyond the 1 hour, based on the practical session, based on the sometimes, for example, I have taken the task. Sometimes it will cross the 1 hour. Definitely, it is possible. For example, this is my phone number, guys. Please contact this number if you are interested.
Sir, it's not audible, sir.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah,
Kiran.
hello.
We are unable to do anything.
Yeah. I think he came to. He's offline. He's in offline. Kiran is offline right now.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Sorry, guys. Actually, I have lost my power due to. Sorry for interrupting you guys, but I have lost the power. Do you have any doubts, guys? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello. Yeah. Sorry, guys. For example, I have lost my power. Due to that reason, I was unable to hear you. Ask me if you
Kiran,
have any doubts, guys.
Kiran, I have one query. So,
Okay.
to what extent any DevOps engineer should be knowing any coding language?
Yeah, coding knowledge we should have to concentrate on, but actually 10% enough to learn any coding language. If you are perfect in Azure DevOps, but that is a third party for that one. Scripting knowledge, they will have to I will give the PowerShell knowledge about that one. Any scripting, I will give the PowerShell knowledge and Terraform knowledge. Knowledge is enough, guys. If you tell the answers to Azure DevOps only, that is enough.
Okay.
Scripting knowledge, knowledge enough. That is knowledge enough. For example, I have also knowledge only on scripting, but I did not get chance to work on scripting side.
Okay.
But they will give the chance.
Sure.
That is the reason I will not concentrate on Azure DevOps only. Architect level, I will tell you.
And Kiran,
If you are
by
giving
this,
the answer.
yeah, sorry to interrupt. So, after covering this course, will we be able to clear the Azure operational interview as well?
Yes, Azure operational interview also you can cover it.
Okay.
For
And I have
example,
just,
if you more
yeah.
on Azure DevOps only, 80% of the focus you will have to tell to the interviewer. 20% only you will have to concentrate on Azure operation. Why? Because if you choose the operational engineer, definitely it is 24/7 support here. But we have night shift also. If you selected Azure DevOps engineer, only one shift, either morning or evening. But actually, less work, guys. But you will have to spend with family if you got selected Azure DevOps engineer. For example, if you choose the operational engineer, what happened it is you will have to more focus on operational level. For example, deployments, rare deployments will have to receive it, guys. But actually, daily deployments will, for example, we don't have received any daily deployments. That is the reason. Please concentrate on Azure DevOps only. For example, if you want to learn anything, they will give the time. It is the rare skill. For example, I will give the concept. Architect level, I will concentrate on Azure DevOps only, guys.
Okay. And on chat, I have just asked what would be timing for Monday for this course, and how many days in a week it is?
Yeah, but I'm planning to a week 6 days only, Monday to Saturday. timings should be, we have to discuss with your organization and who is your organizer? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Can you please interact with your organizer? I will have to
Okay.
contact you. Or you will have to contact with this number.
Okay.
This number we
Yeah.
have WhatsApp. And,
Yeah. Hello, sir.
guys, feel free to call me anytime. No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
So
Can you
actually, we
please
are
tell me
planning
your
for morning and evening batches.
Yeah, yes. We are
Yeah, please
planning
inform them
to
like
continue.
in that way so that we can adjust the timings. So
Yes.
just inform them that we are planning for 2 batches, like morning 1 batch and evening 1 batch,
We are planning to
so that they can
do
enroll
batches,
and
guys.
they confirm.
Morning and evening. As you are interested, if you miss the morning batch, you can join evening also. At your choice, guys. If you join 2 batches, you can join 2 batches also. No problem. But same topic will be repeated morning and evening. Guys, I am requesting you, please practice daily. Practice daily and share the screenshot with our WhatsApp. Then only I know you are practicing or not. If you practice very well, guys, you will be getting like good package, and also you don't need any support if you practice very well. First, you will have to concentrate on what I told you today. Same thing you can practice, guys. Later only you will have to go to other uh, other theoretical or practical or YouTube. You will have to learn third party, guys. Do you have any doubts or queries about Azure DevOps? Feel free to ask me, guys. I am not your lecturer. I am your friend. Don't say in front of me. And also, yes, I will give the training as well. For example, some people are joined recently, guys. I don't know when the meeting happens, they will not talk about the in front of the team, or they are fearing. Due to that reason, I will have to involve in this batch. Please, if you are joining this class, okay, Pravalika, I am Pravalika joined here. If you are asking any doubts, hi Kiran, this is Pravalika. I have one query about it. That's it. After that only you can ask it. Don't say. I will go that training also, guys. Please utilize this course is real-time scenario. This course you feel like as a company. Now you can start as a company, guys. Learn everything here only. Be professional. Please spend. I don't know what you past learning about that one. Live in the past. Start the present. Okay. Do you have any doubts, guys? My classes enough, guys. My classes are enough. For example, if you join here, if you join the company, you can watch my videos. That is enough, guys. You can watch my video. In case if you trouble something, you can call me. I will tell you, I will give the suggestions on phone. If you practice it only, you can get it, guys. Do you have any doubts, guys? Do you have any doubt?
I'm good.
Yes. Someone is asking questions. Ask me any questions, guys, about your career, about your technology. I'm giving sure, guys. If you are not technical, also you are eligible this course.
Yes, I have
Definitely,
a
you will be getting job.
Yeah, sorry. So I have one question. As I mentioned, like, I am 13 years experience. So like DevOps engineer job is only for, less than 10 years, or if I'm, 13 years experience, so people won't be looking for, more experience. Is it like that, or easily we can get the job for DevOps or Azure?
Yeah, Fatma, we will be getting job definitely. For example, you have 13 years of experience, right? You will include
Yes.
like 5 years of Azure DevOps. Remaining things you can choose anything like business intelligence something. For example, if you will have to tell the interview, I have worked as a Azure DevOps engineer.
Okay, okay. So experience doesn't matter, means whatever experience I have 14 or 15, but if I have 5 to
No
6
need for
years,
that. No need for
that will
that.
work. Okay.
Actually, I have 10 years of experience. My colleague has only 1 year experience. She is doing same work, I am doing same work. What is the difference of experience? We don't want any experience. Don't bother about your experience. I will share the
Okay.
knowledge total 5 years. Architect level, I will give the training guys.
Okay, thank you.
For that one, I will take care of everything. Technical, non-technical, everything I will take care. Any questions, guys? You can ask me. Feel free. Don't
Hi,
say
Karan sir.
in front.
Hi, Karan sir. This is Kalisha Wali.
Yeah, Kalesh, tell me.
Yeah. Currently, I'm working in cloud operations, but I don't have any
Okay.
experience on Azure DevOps. So,
Okay.
if I completed this course, can I survey? Can I handle the real-time projects if I get the job in DevOps?
Yes, Kalesh, I will do the 100% assurance for that one. Like,
Because of
you are
I
already
don't
working
have,
on operational, right?
yeah, cloud operations, but we are not using any DevOps tools like Git and Jenkins, like that.
Yeah, no problem. But for example, if you learn this course, definitely you will be getting the good project, or you will get the chance to join one more company. I will give the real time scenario. For example, if I tell the operational level also, you can learn it. I will give the like migration things, everything. I will show the practicals. Operational things also, I will show the practicals.
Okay. Suppose, Karan
This
sir,
is
if I get the
completely. Yeah, tell me.
yeah, yeah. So go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, suppose if I get the job in Azure DevOps, while working on in real time, if we are facing any real time problems, should we contact you? And
Yeah, no problem. You can contact me.
yeah, just support purpose. If we are facing any challenges on real time while doing.
Support. First of all, you will have to support things. No problem. Technically, I will help you guys. Technically, I will help you. But not technically, it means actually 1 week back, someone is, I think 20 days back, someone is recruited. He is asking me, manager is pinging me, what can I do? Is it technical? That is, for
No,
example,
I'm
manager
not
will
asking
ask
like that.
normally, like, yeah,
No, I
yeah.
am not asking like that. Just see,
Technically, I will help you guys.
yeah. What I am asking, Kiran sir,
You
now
will get
see,
the
so currently,
complete picture after completion of my course.
see, so many people are working nowadays DevOps, but they are facing so many
Yes,
challenges while doing in real time because of they don't have much experience in DevOps.
yes.
So that's what I'm
This
asking.
is real time only, Kalesa. For example,
Okay.
I will have to focus on real time scenarios only. I'm a real time employee.
Yeah, I'm also a real-time employee, but I'm not. I don't have any experience in Azure DevOps. I have only Azure
I will share
operations
it.
like that.
I will share my knowledge, and I will give the all sessions to you. Same thing, you need to practice it. And also, guys, if you are selected like Azure DevOps engineer, don't bother about
if you are recession also, your job will safety, guys. Without Azure DevOps engineer, there is no team is there. Definitely, I will give the assurance. 20 years, 30 years. DevOps is a process, guys. It is not a tool. Okay? It will not die till you are die. Okay? It will not, no one can kill the Azure DevOps process, guys. This is a process.
But the problem is, Karan sir, one of my friend is, I mean, he got the job in DevOps, but unfortunately, I mean, he's facing a lot of challenges while doing his real time. He's unable to perform his DevOps. That's what I'm
I don't
asking.
know about others, guys. I don't know about others. Please
He also,
concentrate on what I'm telling here. I will tell you the real-time scenarios, guys. Completely. I don't want to waste your time and my time.
sure, Karan sir, sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, theoretically you will be getting the documents, guys. Theoretically you will be getting the anything you will be getting the documents from Google, everything. But theoretically, I will give the knowledge theoretically less. Most probably, I will give the practical things, guys. Then only you will get the hands-on for that one. Hands-on must be important. What you are doing like that one, definitely please focus on 30 to 45 days. You will have to good future, guys. Definitely you will be getting good package itself. I will give the 100% knowledge. You will have to tell the interviewer 60% knowledge enough, guys. Definitely you will be getting job. I will give the tips also, guys. End of the sessions. I will give the tips how we can handle the interviewer. What I told you, same thing you can explain the interviewer. Definitely, you will be placed in 3 months, guys. Definitely, I will go the assurance. If you are practiced only. Okay, Kiran sir told me within 3 months, definitely I will be getting job. Without practice, how you can get the job? Tell me one. For example, without practice, how you will get the job?
Yes, you are right, Karan sir.
Practice must be important, guys. I will take the session for daily 1 hour. You can
And what
practice
time
it.
at what time, Karan sir, may I know?
I'll inform you, college. Who is your organizer?
Anita.
Kalesha.
You can contact with Anita. Kalesha.
Yeah. Morning, we are planning for morning and evening sessions, like morning 7 a.m.
both sessions
and
are available.
evening 9 p.m. mostly. Probably these are the timings.
Yeah.
Sure, Anita.
Fine.
Sure, Anita.
7
Sure.
a.m. morning it will be fixed. Evening 9 p.m. we can fix for 9 p.m.
9 to 10, 9 to 11.
Yes, 9 to 10. Yeah, we're right.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
To all, guys. Do you have notes, guys?
Thank you, Karan sir. Thank you, sir.
If you don't have notes, you can drop off the call today. You can meet on Monday or other day. I will inform you.
Sure,
Okay?
Karan
Thanks,
sir.
guys. Thanks for joining.